The LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video about ZTE, guys. So I'm on Engadget.com here. So before I get further into the video, I'd like to give out two shout outs. Shout out to TechRight for unboxing the ZTE Blade Max View, and shout out to CV Tech for unboxing the ZTE Blade Max 2S, guys. So check out their channels and subscribe to both of them, alright? So they have already unboxed these phones already, so shout out to TechRight and CV Tech, guys. So yeah, so it says here, ZTE's latest phones promise tall screens for under $200. Obviously these are going to be budget phones, so keep it in mind. It says that unlike devices work with Verizon and most GSM carriers like AT&T, T-Mobile, Metro, Cricket, AT&T Prepaid, and whatnot. So the first one we're looking at here today is the ZTE Blade Max View, which is pictured right here on top. You guys will notice that it has dual cameras on back, a fingerprint sensor, ZTE logo, and you guys will notice something else on this phone. Logo right here, guys. Track phone logo right here. Look at that track phone logo. So I think that the ZTE Blade Max View is going to a track phone carrier. Maybe Straight Talk, maybe Total Wireless, maybe all of them. Maybe track phone, Net 10, Straight Talk, and Total Wireless will get this phone. Maybe it's possible because it has a track phone logo right there on the back of it, guys. That is very interesting, guys. And that's the front of the phone. It has the earpiece, of course, in your front facing camera, of course. And I think both of these phones have has 18:9 screens, I believe. I think they do. So yeah, that's the Blade Max View right there. So let's check them out, shall we? It says you don't have too many choices in the US when it comes to tall ratio smartphones on a budget. The Moto E5 series is on the short list. ZTE believes they can expand your options a little further. It's launching the Blade Max View and Blade Max 2S, which is pixelable out, and I will show you guys that here in just a bit. Both of which offer 2160 by 1080 LCD screens, decent 1.4 GHz Snapdragon 435 processors, 32 GB of expandable storage for $200 for the Max View and $180 for the Max 2S. The Max View is definitely the better value of the two, as it touts dual 16 and 2 megapixel rear cameras and stereo speakers, where the Max 2S carries a single 13 megapixel camera with mono sound. So the Blade Max View is obviously the better phone of the two, guys. It also has Type C, and I don't see a headphone jack. I don't see one. Might be on top, but that's interesting. So the ZTE Blade Max View is $200. The ZTE Blade Max 2S is $180. I believe they have similar specs. I believe both of these phones have similar specs, except for the Max View has dual cameras on back. So they offer similar specs. So the only difference is that the Max View has dual cameras on back and the Max 2S has a single rear camera on back. But other than that, I think the two phones are similarly spec, guys. So keep it in mind. Specs on this phone, not too bad. I mean, it is what it is, guys. And I believe they're 6-inch displays. I believe they're 6-inch displays because they don't say no screen. So that's as far as I can tell. But yeah, this phones look nice in my opinion. You know. The Max View has stereo speakers, and the Max 2S has mono sound. So you know, it is what it is, right? It says it might not surprise you to hear that these phones aren't likely to reach your, I guess, carrier or whatever. Instead, you can buy unlocked versions that support GSM carriers, Sprint and Verizon. Wow, that's crazy. Sprint and Verizon, wow. Going through either ZTE's online store or online retailers like B&H and Newegg or whatever. The Max 2S will be available at select wireless retailers too. If there's a real drawback, it's that they are running Android Nougat. Oh shit. So this is gonna be a deal breaker for a lot of folks. The better phone, the phone that has dual cameras and has all that shit, runs Nougat. What the fuck? So runs Nougat, and the Max 2S runs Android Oreo, which is the Max 2S is right here, guys. This is the Max 2S. Yeah, there is a headphone jack on top, guys. There's a headphone jack on top of the Blade View as well. That's what the phone looks like. But this phones look nice, guys. They look nice. It says here, don't expect a Pi update on either anytime soon. And I mean, it's fucking crazy how so it's basically doesn't matter what phone you get. One phone's gonna have one OS, another phone's gonna have another OS. And like I said, I think the Blade Max V is going to a track phone based carrier because that's a track phone like on back. And it says that the Max 2S is going to select wireless retailers. So I can see this on Metro, Cricket, maybe Boost, maybe Straight Talk as well. So we will have to wait and see where these phones go. But I think both of these phones have 6-inch displays. Not bad. So the only difference that I can see for that, they have big batteries. I think the battery sizes on this, are 4,000 milliamp batteries. I think 4,000 milliamp batteries on both, which is pretty fucking good for a budget phone like this, you know. So this is basically a recap. These phones, guys. ZTE Blade Max View is the best of the two phones. The Max View has dual cameras on back. It has a track phone logo, so that's interesting to see. But the Max View, even though it's $200, it runs Nougat. The Blade Max 2S is $180 and then runs Android Oreo. So it depends on what you guys want. You guys want Oreo or do you guys want dual cameras? I mean, it's up to you to have Type-C charging. Both of them do. So the specs are similar. Similar on both phones, except for the Blade View has dual cameras on back and Android Nougat, while the Max 2S has Android Oreo and a single rear camera. But other than that, the two phones are similarly spec in every way. It has 32 GB of expandable storage. I'm gonna say it has. I'm gonna say it has 2 GB of RAM. I'm gonna say it has 2 GB of RAM. I'm gonna say 2 gigs of RAM here. So keep that in mind. So, yeah. What did you guys think about these ZTE fans? The ZTE Blade Max View and the ZTE Blade Max 2S, and are you guys want to pick one of these phones up and whatnot? And so yeah, so these phones are available now, I believe. Like I said, you guys can check out unboxings from TechRight and CV Tech. So shout out to them for those unboxing videos. So shout out to them and check them out and subscribe to them if you have not done so. So yeah, both of these phones does look nice, guys. But I just find it you know, odd as fuck that the $200 phone runs Nougat and the $180 phone runs Oreo, which makes no fucking sense. It says don't expect Pi anytime soon. Don't expect no fucking updates, man, because ZTE is not good at software updates, and their track record is terrible at updates to their phones. They do not update their phones. They don't do it. So if you guys are looking to get Pi on this bitch, good luck with that. You might get Pi later, but don't expect to get Pi anytime soon. The only good chance of any of these phones getting Pi is the Max 2S. That phone runs Oreo, and you're lucky enough if you get one OS update on these phones. We'll see if ZTE changes their software strategy or whatever. So yeah, man, what do you guys think about these phones, man? The phones look nice in my opinion. The specs on here are not too bad. I like the fact, I mean, I actually like both phones. I think they both look nice. I actually like both phones actually. I don't know what one I like better, but I actually like both phones actually. So I don't know if these phones are going to a US carrier, but it sounds like one of these phones are going to a US carrier. You see right here on the Blade view, that's a track phone logo right here, guys. That's track phone logo right there. So I can see this phone on all track phone carriers. So we will have to wait and see about that. And the Max 2S could come to Metro, Boost, Cricket. You never know where this phones are going to go. So stay tuned to my channel for that. So yeah, ZTE is coming back, but do you guys think that this is enough? Do you guys think that this is a good comeback for ZTE, or do you guys think that ZTE should have done better with these phones or whatever? So yeah, and these are unlocked phones here, and they'll work with Verizon, and I think the Max View will work with Verizon. I think the Max 2S will work with Sprint. So that's pretty interesting there. And it'll obviously work with AT&T, T-Mobile, Cricket, Metro, and all of them GSM carriers out there, guys. So that's all pretty much it. Let them know what you guys think about the ZTE Blade Max View and the ZTE Blade Max 2S. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.